In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Replit project as a zip file. If you want a quick backup of your code, need to share your project with someone, or plan to work on it locally, downloading it as a zip is the fastest way to grab everything at once. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without missing a beat. With your project open in Replit, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar that lists your project files. This area is called the Files section, and it contains all the folders and files that make up your project. At the top of this Files panel, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Depending on your window size, you might need to hover near the Files header or expand the panel to see it clearly. That 3 dots icon opens the Options menu for the Files section itself, not just an individual file. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. In the list that appears, choose Download as Zip. As soon as you select it, Replit will package the files you see in the Files section into a single zip archive. This usually only takes a moment, but larger projects may take a little longer. When it's ready, your browser will start downloading the zip automatically. By default, it will land in your browser's standard download location, often the Downloads folder, and it will usually be named after your project. A quick note about what's included. The zip contains the files and folders shown in your Files section. Certain environment variables managed by Replit's built-in secrets tool aren't part of your file tree, so they won't be included unless you've explicitly saved them in a file. If your project contains sensitive data inside regular files, that content will be in the zip, so review before sharing. If you don't see the download as zip option at first, try widening your browser window, collapsing other panels to reveal the file's header, or refreshing the page. If the download doesn't appear, check your browser's downloads tray or make sure downloads aren't being blocked. That's all there is to it. Open the Files section, click the 3 dots at the top of that panel, and select Download as Zip. You now have a neat archive of your project that you can store, send, or move to another environment. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.